Atematem, in his absentia, Governor of Govial State, Molana Kuala Lor Kual, Chief Administrator of Abiy Administrative Area, Honorable Speakers, MPs headed by Honorable Adan Denkwal, advisors, Uncle Bona Olwal Madunring, Page Community Leader, Honorable Agel Ring Machar, the Press Secretary in the Office of the First Vice President, Honorable Nyandeng Malek Jelich, former Governor of defunct Warabi State, Division Commanders, Military Commanders, Head of Commissions, Commissioners, ANMI's representative, Police Commission, all the delegates to the conference, our chief, the paramount and sub-chief, youth and women, distinguished and invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all in the name of Almighty God and in the name of Twij Mayadit, and above all, in the name of Aparatope. As you have heard my name, I'm Deng Adubdeng. I'm a secretariat who came with my team from Juba. To begin with, as you are aware of the consultation meetings that were conducted in Juba from 28th of August to 31st of August, and it continues to the 1st of October, 2nd and the 4th. And the consultations was based on different groups. The group that were consulted were 7, and as I read this document, I will present them to you one after another. Honorable Governor, at this point in time, allow me to make the presentation. The Republic of South Sudan, Coordination Office of Twij State Government, Juba, Governors Consultative Meetings. The Governor of Twij State, Honorable Atem Maduniak, held a number of consultative meetings with various Twij Mayadit groups of people in Juba, namely senior intellectual, chief and faith-based group, youth, women, business community, members of national legislature and counties community leaders in Millennium and South Sudan Hotel Bullock. The agenda of the consultation were 2. Number 1 was the issue of the state capital location. Number 2 was the developmental plans of Twij states. As I begin reading the document, I beg your pardon to lend me your ears so that I would be able, each of you can be able to listen to what I'm reading, since we don't have copies. Governor opening and closing remark. On the 2nd of October 2015, the President of the Republic of South Sudan issued Establishment Order number 36, 2015 AD, creating 28 states in South Sudan. One of the states created by the order was Twij State with its capital in Mayana. This had raised a question because when Twij was a county, its headquarters was in Turale. Since this issue has become a disagreement between the proponents of Mayana and Turale, the President of the Republic directed the newly appointed governor during a swearing-in ceremony on 24th of August 2018 in Day 1, Juba, to make consultation with Twij Mayardit community. Honorable Atemba Duniak, the governor of Twij State, convenes a number of meetings in Juba on the above-mentioned agenda. The meetings were held from 28th to 31st of August, and then from 1st to 2nd and 4th of September 2018 as detailed in the next pages. On the outside of his opening remarks, Honorable Yak had been thanking Twij Mayardit community groups for accepting the initiative. He told the participants to discuss the issue of capital location as Twij's sons and daughters. He emphasized the need to speak with love, unity, honesty, peace, saying he was a governor of peace as stated by His Excellency, the President of the Republic. He further added that people should talk in the spirit of providing solutions. He opened the meetings officially and gave chances for the participants to contribute their opinions. This happened for the 7 meetings held on dates mentioned on the next pages. In his closing remarks, Governor Yak thanked the participants for their opinion, describing them as good and problem solving. He said nobody will be victimized because of his or her opinion. He assured the participants that their opinions will be respected and nobody will alter them, saying nobody was driving him except the presidents of the Republic who appointed him and God. He ended his remarks with promise that he will do the same consultation in all counties of Twij states. Meeting number 1 was held in Millennium Hotel, Juba, on the 28th of August 2018. Governor's consultative meeting. Senior intellectual. The group that was consulted was the group of intellectual. A speaker's name and the location recommended. Others, and then in the bracket, specify. I will read out the names of the participants plus the location that they recommended, or if they were neutral in what they said, then that one will be specified in the other column, which is written others or specify if he or she was not for Turale or Mayana Abun. Dr. Mawuna Atem Mayen, location recommended Mayana Abun. Joseph John Deng Motel, location recommended Mayana Abun. Mabeng Mayom Yuod, location recommended is in the others, which is specified in the bracket. Border of Amiol, Anadiang, and the name Ramchel. Professor Andrew Maleng Madut, location recommended Turale. Salfa Twij Morwell, location recommended is in the others, which is specified, is neutral. Chan Maleng Chant, location recommended is in the others also, which is Aweng. Majong Abuluk, location recommended Mayana Abun, and he also has the other opinion of saying Mayana Abun, if Mayana Abun fail, we go for referendum. The other person is Nicola Nyolumakwach, location recommended is in the others, which is specified. Let us go back to the house of first wife, Pan Ingdit. Achola Ajwet, location recommended is in the others, is neutral. Malina Wagmalit, location recommended is in the others, which is specified. Yara Chot in Chobok. Magor Ajurunyual, location recommended is in the others, specified. Akak, Akoch, or Ajakwach. Achanagot, location recommended is in the others also, specified in the bracket. Is neutral. Longar Deng Matin, location recommended is in the others. Board of Amiol, Anadiang or Urok. John Dudbolkur, location recommended is in the others. Up to the president to decide. Tongujang Awag Tongujang, location recommended. Mayana Abun. Michael Mayot Nguan, location recommended is in the others, which is specified, is neutral. Coach Nyol Biar, location recommended is in the others. The capital issue needs either scientific, political, consensus, mutual, or necessity solution, or we resort to referendum. Abraham Majong Tuch, location recommended to Raleigh, and he has other opinion also in the others or specified. He said, first Sikh chief